How's everyone doing? We are back with week 4 of GoMining's solo mining. We still have our 100 terahash miner here. I did lower the price, but it still has not sold. See, I delisted it and I lowered it by over 300 GMT. Still not sold, but that's okay. You want to know why that's okay? Because we got almost $100 of Bitcoin this week. So I'm perfectly okay with that. But at the moment, look at this. 0.0243257 Bitcoin total reward. Fucking hell. How much is this worth? Oh my god. $2,660.45. It should be a little bit more, that's what it says here, but that's okay. The price is still adjusting, and I'm okay with that, because look at this fucking daily chart. I guess the money flow is starting to curve over, but look at that, look at that. Reclaim the 100K, and then we've just been chilling above it. Gotta love it, gotta love it. Anyways, back to the weekly rewards. So, from the 13th all the way to the 19th, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at this. We mined 0.0008471 for Bitcoin. You want to know how much this is worth? Look at this. Take a gander at this. Well, bam, $92. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We're getting close to $100 a week in this. That's not even bad. Pretty damn good. Over $10 a day. Cha-ching. But unfortunately, look at this GMT amount. We're on the last week of using GMT to pay for the maintenance. And then we will be getting only half the amount. So we'll only be getting around $45 a week doing absolutely nothing. How terrible. Jesus Christ. Some people complain. Some people actually complain about that. They go, I'm only making $5 a week doing absolutely nothing but clicking a damn service button occasionally every 24 hours. Like, I don't know. The people that complain about it, they're just lazy. They're just lazy. The rewards speak for themselves, as we can all see here. Look at this. Beautiful. Just beautiful. And if you want to start mining Bitcoin today, they have actually changed how the invitation works. So if you use my referral link, you will get an extra 5% bonus in terahash on your first miner. So whatever you buy, normally you would get a 5% discount. Now they're giving you 5% more terahash on your first purchase. So I would be using this if I were you guys. I wish I could have used someone's referral link when I signed up. Even just getting 5% back, that would have been pretty good. But right now, getting 5% bonus in terahash. If you buy 100 terahash, you get a free 5 terahash. Really wish I could have used this. Either way, we're still going strong with 215 terahash, 20 watts of terahash. At the end of next week, which will be the end of May, I will do a monthly ROI to see how much we've earned. We'll be running out of GMT for maintenance. And now we're going to see how much we mine for 1 month of solo mining using GMT for the maintenance. And then at the end of June, we'll be able to do a monthly ROI to see how much we got without using GMT as maintenance. So until then, we'll see you guys soon. Have a good one.